Welcome to our presentation on modern project challenge in the technology and digital marketing industries. Today, we will explore two real-world case studies that highlight critical issues in project management, resolve conflict, and team motivation. Through this case, we will analyze what went wrong, which management process were affected, and what strategies can be applied to solve the problem effectively. Let's begin the first class.
Okay, in our first scenario, Alphatech is developing a new CRM platform called Project Nova. With a fixed 6-month deadline, the team relies heavily on Sarah, the lead QA tester, who specializes in security and database performance. However, due to unexpected resignation in another priority project, Project Beta, the resource manager reassigned Sarah for 50% of her time, creating a immediate bottleneck in a Project Nova.
Because the integration module requires a specific expertise, the testing schedule, originally planned for week 7, is delayed until week 9. This delay threatens the entire project timeline and risk penalty clauses in the client contract. The project manager, David, now faces a critical situation with limited options.
Management perspective, the failing process here is controlling resources. Since the project manager was unable to maintain access to a key resource as planned. The type of conflict present is organizational conflict, driven by company level prioritization decision rather than interpersonal issues or internal scheduling mistakes.
In this situation, the most appropriate conflict handling mode is collaboration. Both projects are important, like Project Beta poses internal risks, with Project Nova carries contractual penalties. By collaborating with resource manager, David can seek a win-win solution, such as flexible scheduling or additional resource support, rather than forcing or compromising in a way that harms one project.
Mitigate the delay, David should implement several corrective actions. First, applying resource leveling, adjusting the sequence of testing activities based on Sarah's availability. Second, reprioritizing tasks within the QA team, so non-critical work can be reassigned. Third, acquiring external assistance, such as temporary consultants or support team from other internal teams. These actions help reduce the schedule risk and maintain project momentum.
While the first case focused on resource availability, the second case presents a different challenge, declining team motivation within a hybrid work environment.
In Project Phoenix at Innovate Digital, the team has been operating under a hybrid arrangement for the past 10 months. The project itself still progressing according to schedule, with major deliverables complete on time. However, beneath of the surface, the overall team climate has taken a noticeable downturn, especially over the last 2 months. Engagement, creativity, and day-to-day Mongol have all decided, raising concern about the long-term health of the project. During the weekly in-office day, collaboration which sought to be strengths of hybrid work has almost disappeared. Instead of using their time on-site for brainstorming, co-creating or solving design challenges together, most team members prefer put on their headphones and focus solely on individual tasks. Planned team building activities are often ignored, and informal communication has become rare. The sense of collective energy that underlies the project is fading. Knowledge sharing and skill growth have also stagnant. The team is no longer active, is seeking new learning opportunities or exchanging insight. Even Mark, the senior designer who used the mentor to the junior member of the team, has grown disengaged and is now showing very little initiative. This signal a deeper motivational issue rather than a simple workload problem. And recognition has been major gap 6 weekend ago. The team successfully reached a critical milestone and achievement that required intense coordination and creativity. Yet instead of celebrating this success or providing meaningful feedback, upper management only acknowledged the milestone through a generic company-wide email. There was no personal appreciation, no moment to highlight contribution, and no reinforcement of the team collective effort. And seeing this pattern, the project manager, Lisa, has become increasingly concerned. She believes the rigid of hybrid schedule cope with the lack of personalized recognition and reduced opportunities for collaboration is undermining the team's intrinsic motivation. While the timeline remains intact, the true lies in the potential drop in creativity and quality, two elements that are essential of the project Phoenix. The challenge ahead is not simply like the meeting deadlines, but restoring the team energy, purpose, and connection.
So, we talk about using Maslow hierarchy of needs. Well, using Maslow hierarchy of needs is several needs are not being met, because why we have 3 points that we want to highlight in this. Like the first, belongingness, is due to the lack of interaction and teamwork, and the second was we talk about the esteem because achievement are not personally recognized. Also, the last one we talk about the self-actualization. Why? Because as skill development and mastery opportunities are missing. So according to Hartberg's motivation hygiene theory, key motivators such as recognition, achievement, and growth are absent. So it's leading to reduced intrinsic motivations.
Based on Tuckman model, the team appears to be regressing from performing back to normal. Possibly, even towards storming due to declined collaboration and unclear engagement. To restore performance, the project manager, Lisa, should implement collaborative workshop, structure mentoring, and renew knowledge sharing.
Yes.
So, to rebuild intrinsic motivation, Lisa should increase autonomy, giving team members more control over their creative work. Second, support mastery through training and mentoring sessions. The third one is strengthen the purpose by providing personalized recognition and showing the impact of their contribution. With these all strategies, the team creativity and energy can be restored, improving the final project outcome. Thank you for watching our presentation.